What's going on, everybody? Chase on Two Wheels here, and we have another episode of Chase makes his garage actually usable instead of the terrible garage that it was. That is a giant tool chest. So, a company called Homak, H-O-M-A-K, they make lots of like garage tool chests and stuff like that. So Homak reached out and we're like, hey, we see you're doing a new garage, so you know what you need? You need a professional looking tool cabinet. If you and your guys are trying to be professional with your building motorcycles and from wreck to dream bikes and giving them away, Patreon link in the description, because we actually give motorcycles away and it's a phenomenal experience. Top link down below. But regardless, Homak was like, we see you guys doing some pretty cool stuff. We would like to facilitate your garage being more professional so you can do more professional stuff. So, being the man that I am, definitely did not say no. So what they decided to do was send us a 54-inch long tool cabinet with a metal like backing and an upper cabinet. We about to be professional, boys and girls. Now, as you guys know, we are in the middle of the garage rebuild. The ceilings are done. The mini split is in. The floors are not done, but look at all the boxes, y'all. Our next project is to do the flooring, but I got a giant pallet full of like cabinets and stuff. So we gotta unbox this, get it built, because it's on casters or wheels if you don't like using the word casters like me. So we're gonna get it put together. I got Brian coming over because this shit is heavy as hell. It's 54.5 inches long. It's a big old boy. Also, it weighs, bruh, this thing weighs 377 pounds. Ain't no way I'm gonna be able to move this thing around by myself. I can probably put it together by myself. Don't think I can move it around, but I'm gonna put it on casters. That way, we'll get it prepped and ready to go. Then we can roll it out, do the flooring, and roll it back in. Flooring stuff's gonna be another episode. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for the flooring. But Homak, shout out, appreciate the chest. We will make full use of it. Okay, so without further ado, let's get this unboxing done so we can check out what the hell a professional looking tool chest looks like. Also, this stuff is like high level quality stuff, and it costs like a fraction of the price. So if you guys are in the market for tool chest stuff, I will drop links for Homak down below, as well as links to all the individual items, because they sent out the drawers, but we also got other stuff over here. Honestly, not even gonna lie, I forgot everything. I don't even know what I got. I know what's in there because it's in the front, but we're gonna discover it together. Okay, well, until Brian gets here, he'd be proud. I had my knife on me. Let's see what's in it. Boy, you guys know we had to go with red, right? For one, it matches the other tool chest that we have here in the garage, or what we'll eventually have here in the garage. And who don't like red? Bro, yes. Oh my God. Woo! Excited. Somebody's excited. If you guys didn't know, I've never had like a really nice tool cabinet, so this is super awesome. You guys check this out. Check out the drawers. So if I pull it forward, it won't open, but if I lift up and pull out, right? Oh God, what have I done? That I will need Brian's help for. We're not gonna worry with that. We're gonna get this stuff moved out of the way. It looks like a little service cart over there, so I'm gonna go with something I can handle. 30-inch service cart. Time to assemble a service cart. Damn it, I didn't get it in time. 1 second, Brian. I'm coming.
Looks good in here.
You proud? You proud of this? The casters are, they...
I can see them not going in straight already.
Awesome.
So put that back on top of some cardboard or something.
I was in a last ditch effort to finish this before you got here. I failed. Brian's here, everything's okay.
Hi. So you need a block of wood and a hammer.
Yay! We have a tool cart, service cart. Wait, we can serve pastries and coffee on it.
That's a good size drawer.
This is a good size drawer. And we can roll this around with us now and not have to bring over the little wood table. All right, service cart, done.
You got your man tool out too.
I told you guys, I told you he would be proud that I had
Got your
a
man
knife
tool
out.
out.
So Brian, we're going to lift this up, move it that way, and put it down.
Trying to think of a way to do this where nobody loses a finger or a piece of a finger. 1, 2, 3.
Woo!
Done.
All right, risers are on. Bro, have you felt this? These risers, like this is one unit right now. Found out one of the boxes is adjustable legs. So if we wanted to put this thing on legs, we could. I think we're gonna keep it on wheels as a just in case method. This thing is probably not gonna move, but if we had to move it, we'd still want to keep that option because we can lock the wheels, it won't go nowhere.
Well, so far, Chase, with your track record for moving, I think you need to put it on wheels.
Gotta get that jokes in. Even without the full team here. Also, 30-piece tool holder set. So the backing of this is like stainless steel. They have a flat stainless, and then they have one that's got like pegboard stuff. So we got the pegboard one because why the hell would we? So that's what those are. We'll use the tool stuff after that. Oh, and there it is. Yeah, square pegboard is what he was saying. Shout out to Justin who connected all this. Check this out.
Put lights underneath this.
Oh, you know we're gonna have Hey G turn that on. So you guys see the tabs here? That's literally just what holds it up. And then I assume once Brian gets that opened, yep, you got all the accessory holes. Woo! Look at that, boys and girls. Holy snap. We are playing big boy games now. tabletop reveal. Bum, 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 bum. Bum, 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 bum.
Looks good. It's a pretty nice box.
So that's an unboxing of Homak's 54-inch tool cabinet. Looking sick. Oh, let's see the tool. We don't have any tools here to put on it, but let's see what we've got. Oh, and service card. We can't forget the little baby service card. So guys, we're not gonna, oh my God, you are tight in and not looking right. Obviously, we don't even have the tools here to do this, but this is gonna be how this thing stays until we get the flooring done. The next 2 days, we've got all the stuff in finally. We're gonna be doing the flooring in here. That has been the huge, like, can't do anything until the flooring's in. So this 54-inch tool cabinet from Homak unboxing is now complete. I look forward to seeing what it looks like against the wall and in the finished garage. Brian, out of 10, what do you give this thing initial impressions?
I give it an 8.
From Brian?
I give it an 8. It's a really nice unit. Yeah, nice locking drawers.
Right.
So they don't open up accidentally on you. Everything comes with already lined drawers, which is really nice.
And the whole thing rolls like this, too.
Everything in stainless is really nice with the big block underneath it, so you could actually beat on this thing and not damage it too much.
Right.
And then I'm especially thrilled about the locks for the pegs, because this is not really something that I've seen.
Really?
Usually, you know, pegboard are just round pegs and they go in and they hook on and the weight holds them in place. And if, like you were saying before, you're in a rush and you're pulling off and your peg comes flying off with it, that's pretty common. This cabinet is huge. It's way bigger than I thought it was going to be. It didn't look this big when it was on the ground.
This thing's deep, too.
This thing is going to hold a lot of equipment.
Right.
You know? Honestly, even better than putting parts up here, everything that's in its own little blown molded plastic container can go in here.
Get it off the damn open rack.
Off the open shelf, and it's all tools, and all the tools stay together. So when you're looking for a tool, it's not over there on that shelf. Everything's here.
Right.
So this is really, really nice.
All right, guys, that's done. We're out of here. We will see you guys on the next video. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe if you want to see.
Okay.
Camera shut off on me. Son of a bitch. All right, guys, I'm Chaseontwowheels. This has been unboxing of the Homak's 54-inch tool cabinet and service cart. If you guys want to see what happens with the rest of the garage, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. And I and Brian and the rest of our team will see you on Wreck Bike Rebuild Garage. Goodbye. All right, outro crew.
Give us your opinion on our new toolbox, 1 to 10.
Ooh, yes.
And we'll see how you like it.
Yeah, outro crew, 0 to 10. Let's give it fair. They can go all the way down. 0 to 10, what do you think? Let us know in the comments down below. And make sure to put hashtag outro crew. That way we know where you're coming from. All right, fam. Bye.